Keepers Club is here. Buboling po kami. So yeah, peace out. Sana maka-join kayo dito. Peace out. 38! Hey!
Okay, bye. Go home.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Jericho Cuevas. Sumali po ako sa Keepers Club 2 months ago.
And then,
So, yeah.
what did you experience?
Napaka-cool po ng Keepers Club. Marami pong activities. Mababait po yung tao. Yun po. Sobrang cool po. So yeah, sumali po kayo.
Okay, say something.
What do you mean?
How about keep? Okay, next, D. What else? You can repeat because I just recorded. Go.
Hey, hi, I'm D, and I'm from the KLC of Winnipeg. And what we do here, we hang out with friends, we go out, eat, go bowling, and after that we have practice for TWP on Sunday,
And what else?
and we listen to the pastors preach.
That's good. That's good with camera.
Yeah, do it for you. Let's see. Hi, I'm dating. I'm having fun right now. That's it. What's Keepers?
What's about? Yeah. What did you experience about keepers?
It's all about free food, going out, music and stuff. That's it.
No, like
Do you practice about keep?
what is it like to be part of Keepers?
Well, it's fun. Because I don't want to do it.
Keepers is what?
Keepers is like, help me. Oh, what?
Show your
What is
face.
it like to be part of
Show your
Keepers?
face, please.
Good.
Good. Good, really?
Hello guys! Wait, ulit. Cut.
Oh.
Hello guys, my name is Jericho. Ito,
Wait.
napaka-cool ng Keepers Club. Activities, actually, we love food. So yeah, foods. Sila po, napakabait. Ang dami po, sobrang dami po. Kaya di ko na po masabi, pero napakasaya po ng Keepers Club. So sana maka-join kayo sa Keepers Club. So yeah, peace out!
What is your message to the founder of Keepers?
Si Kuya Apollo. Message ko po kay
Pastor.
Pastor Apollo. Sana po makapunta po kayo dito sa Winnipeg at makapag-live po kami. Yun lang po. Pero sana po, ang ganda po ng testimony nyo araw-araw. Nakikinig po kami. So yan po.
Message.
Peace out. Message. Sana,
Message si Pastor.
sana po tumagal po kayo, stay young, and peace.